Okay, another camera to the mix. Get closer, Ian. Micah. Yeah, you guys feel like little movie stars?
Open it, yeah.
We are at Shervin's house and Sarah's house on Christmas Day. Another round of gifts and gift openings.
What's this? Is this Handy Manny? Is this, you saw him on TV?
Ian, look.
Manny.
Look, Micah's coming in. He's gonna check it out. What do they got? Show him, Micah.
Here. Okay. Give me my dishes back. That was a mistake.
Yours is over here. Yours is by the sink.
Where's yours, Micah?
You know, the grandparents. Shervin, Uncle. Hey, Marcy.
It's like, wow, too. Did you say wow?
He's like, this bag's the best.
That's right.
We got your one. Those are for Ian. Micah, no, those are for Ian.